Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Jay, and you may remember Jay. We did his surgery day video and a couple follow-up videos, I believe. They're on our website. But Jay is here a year after his procedure, and I'm going to put the side-by-side images, and you can see what a freaking difference in his hair. It really is a big change. I'm going to have you put your chin down to the chest, Jay, if you don't mind, and you can see the difference. And put again, side-by-side. Good, and then we'll do left. Yeah, we'll do left. Hold it right there for a second. Good, look at this difference in his profile. And let's do the other side same way. Again, awesome. So Jay, tell us about how you like your result. Tell us how your life's different.
I love the results. I wore my ponytail my hair in a ponytail for years. I got away from that. I kind of covered it up.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden I lost all my hair and cut it real short and kept the top long. Now I go to the barber and say, okay, trim the top, leave the sides, instead of trim the sides and leave the top.
The opposite, right? Cool. Any issues with the scar in the back when you go to the barber?
I was just going to say, the barbers cannot believe there's no scar.
Okay.
They have a hard time finding it.
Okay. Excellent.
I wake up in the morning, I do my Rogaine, before I go to bed. I use my helmet 2 to 3 times a week.
Fantastic.
Follow all the rules, and there's nothing better than going to the barber and getting a shave. Okay.
And I love your t-shirt today. Long hair, don't care. It's very appropriate.
I haven't worn this in almost 5 years. Pulled it out for today.
Awesome, man. I'm gonna kind of zoom in a little closer so people can really see the difference. Now, this is a perfect example. Jay had very, very limited hair when he came in a year ago, and you can see the before pictures. But it's about 30% additional density, so now he's not a bald guy. I mean, that's the idea. With one pass, you're not a bald guy anymore. You have hair. As you remember, we actually got into his crown as well. Again, I'll do some side-by-sides, but what a difference. Now, if he ever wanted to, he could double up on that density. He could get a second procedure. Again, it's going through it again, but
we'll probably do that in a year.
Yeah. And there's no rush, so huge improvement from where he was before.
And if you're out there watching this website, this YouTube channel, this is the guy. I play golf with a lot of guys. I've seen a lot of procedures, and there's some scary work out there.
Thanks again, Jay. Appreciate it. Okay.
My pleasure.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.